back to this series of videos. A couple is a system of two forces acting in opposite direction. Simple stuff. We have two forces but equals in magnitude. We have FF separated by a distance d. In this case, we define the moment of a couple. M is F times d, as we have seen before. I'll give an example and I will conclude with this video. Suppose we have to calculate not one couple of moments, but we have this case in which three couples are acting on a bar like this. Suppose we have a bar here in which we have one force here of 300 newtons, another one here acting 400 newtons, this one acting in the opposite direction, another couple of moments here 200 newtons, 200 newtons separated by a distance 0.2 meter. Here we are at a distance 3 meters, for example, and from here to here we have 2 meters and the force of 300 newtons is applied. I'll just put them in red. So we have one force here, another force here, another force, drawing all. Okay. And my system is this bar. So, like forces, the couples, if we want to calculate the resultant couple of all these forces, we have just to add them, but we have to choose before doing that an sense of orientation. For example, if I choose this one clockwise, it's arbitrary. You can choose any direction that you want, but you have to choose one. This. So all the moment the couples turning clockwise have to be taken as positive. So let's start. We have the moment resultant of these three couples. I've got this first couple of 300, second couple 400, and the third couple is 200. So the positive moment just will be something acting, for example, I have two forces like this, F equals in magnitude. This is clockwise. In this configuration, if I have this, it means I am anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. So I start with the 300. 300 is, according to this configuration, is a positive, and its moment will be the force, which is 300, times the distance that separates the two forces, which is 5. Now I move to this one. This one is following this configuration, is positive as well, clockwise, which is force times distance, 200 times the distance that separates the two forces, which is 0.2, and the last one, which is 400, couple of 400, but this is anti-clockwise, opposite. I have to put minus 400 times the distance that separates the two forces, which is 2. So the resultant moment of these three couples of forces is finally 740. So the answer is 740 newtons meter. Positive, which means that is clockwise. So, moment of a couple by taking an example of 3 couples. I would like to thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.